Welcome back, guys. We are in the hill station Yercaud. We have planned to visit a temple close by, a lake, and a playground here. Join with us.
Hi!
We are in front of the Shevaroy Temple. This temple has a very little space and it's in the top of the hill. And we will have to bend down to enter the temple, and we cannot really stand and walk.
And I bought these bubbles. These are the biggest bubbles I ever seen. Whoa, look how they are. Whoa, I love these bubbles. They're sometimes small, they're sometimes big, they're sometimes like even bigger. So you touch a button and they just pop big, and then you just swirl them around and they go big like a big ball.
Next stop is the Anna Park. And this is the map of the park. Next, we are in the boathouse of Yercaud.
Hi!
Are you excited? ride, Harshini?
It was super good.
Good. You like it?
Yes.
Is it the first pedal boat?
Yes.
Okay. Look awesome. Thank you for watching, guys. If you wanna watch more of our videos, go down and you will see a red subscribe button. Touch it and you can watch a lot of our videos. And don't forget to click the bell button and give a big thumbs up. Thank you.